Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first thing first, Dylan is here with me. Hi Papi. Yeah. So he's here with me. Oh my goodness, yes.
Whoa, this is so cool.
That is so cool. So today, oh my goodness, I already told him.
It's this belly.
Yes, Papi. I already told him to be quiet, but he's not. And I told him to go to his room. And he's not. So we will see how this goes, guys. But let's count. Oh my gosh, I got my coffee in here. It is gloomy outside, I will say that. So we have 20, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Dylan, don't touch the bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120. You guys, he's touching my bubble wrap. I was wrapping something for a Hello Kitty collector that I needed to ship her items that I've been having for months. But let me pause here, guys. Let me see if I can get him distracted so he can go to his room, because I feel like it's a little too noisy. I mean, I don't mind him being here if only he wasn't talking. Yes, Dylan. He's my youngest, guys. He's 3. I gave him a little piece of bubble. Hopefully that helps him. We will see. All right, guys. So first thing first, we're going to do a rent/bill binder. We have completely fulfilled this. I can hear him coming. And I am excited. It's not going to be a lot of money, but we're going to add a little bit. Small amounts do add up. So I'm going to add $2 to Alabama Power. Alabama Power, it is $60. That is half for me, half for my husband, which is Alex. Call him Alex. Everybody knows him by Alex. Eric's bed is going to get $2 as well. They're all going to get small amounts, you guys. But trust me, small amounts do add up. I always say that all the time. By the way, guys, I hope you guys are doing great. This one, I'm actually going to do $6. The gas bill for the house, half of that is $86 for me. So me and hubby, we split it. So everything is half here. So yeah, so now we need $80 on that. Insurance, we're going to add $4 because it's $144. So we're going to add the $4 for that. And yeah, so I'm excited, you guys, that I'm starting this binder. It's not a lot, but it's something. And we're going to add $2 as well for internet. Okay. Internet, $2. And rent, we're going to add $10 on rent. Not a lot, but we are starting off strong. We're starting off a little bit early than usual. So that's exciting. By the way, guys, are y'all doing anything fun today? Let me know. So today, it looks like it's going to rain, so it's very gloomy. And it's actually windy, and it's a little cold, a little chilly. Who understands this weather? In Alabama, if you're new, I live in Alabama. And it'd be like winter in the morning, hot summers in the middle of like the afternoon, like mid-afternoon, and then winter again at nighttime. So that's how it usually is when springtime comes around. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Like, so it's like you don't know what to wear, because like in the morning it'll be cold, and during the afternoon you're like hot, so it's like you're sweating. So it's like, what do you do? It's so hard. All right, now we're gonna do this binder here. This binder here, they are saving challenges for paying off my debt as well, more like the bigger challenges, but also some envelopes or for anything that I may need or I'm saving for. And here comes Dylan. I think he got bored for the bubble wrap. Hi, yes. So when he says rainbow, it's my Mickey Mouse mirror. So in the intro, you guys see that mirror. So I have that mirror, and so it changes colors if you want it to. So yeah. Dylan, can you go to the room?
Yeah.
He's gonna say no. Can you go to the room, Papi? Go lay down in the room. Go lay down in your bed with blanket.
Yeah.
No? Okay. All right, we're going to do $38 to complete that one. So that's exciting. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, guys. You guys are going to have to hear him today. It's okay, papi. So yeah. I've done this before, but you know, you guys. Dylan, can you go over there? I hope you don't mind that, guys. Sorry, but you guys, today is gonna be a little bit loud. I mean, I don't mind him, because I mean, we all have kids. We all are parents, of course. It's just that sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too much. Like right now, he's screaming. Hey. Shh, relax. Okay. Slow, okay? Yes, papi. Very quiet, okay? Very quiet. Please, thank you. We're gonna add $5.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Yes, papi. Woohoo! He's playing a game, but still, it's like he's quiet and next, volume up. We're gonna add $5 to my dermatologist appointment. I have not made it yet. I need to call this coming week. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, and 70. Yes, papi. The house. Wow. So we're good to go. I believe it's 155. So I think I am good to go. I'm going to definitely call them this week and get that appointment going so I can get that mole checked out. Scary, but it is what it is. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and do this one. Should we finish this one? I mean, I don't think we will because it's a higher number, but let's scratch. Let's see. Hey, Dylan. Okay, it's an 8. That's an 8. Dylan. So let's not finish. Let's not finish it because I want to add more money to some other envelopes. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so far, let's see how much do we have. We got 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, and 3, $53. And we are going to save 65. So we're close. We're so close, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, papi. All right. Next is going to be this Mother's Day saving challenge that I created the other day. Hey. He gets aggravated so fast, you guys. All right, we're going to do the 12. That's the highest here. So we're going to do the 12. Oh my gosh. I said I was going to use my marker and I still haven't, but eventually I will. I'll be taking those Expo. Stop. Calm down. Expo marker to work. So 10, 11, and 12. Oh my goodness. He's 3, guys. So he does speak a little bit more than Eric when he was in that age. If you don't know, Eric is my oldest. We actually took him to speech therapy because we thought he was going to be autistic because he did not speak. And so we took him to therapy for speech therapy because he has like sensor issues since he was little, my oldest. And yeah, so but they told us when he started kindergarten that if he didn't speak by then we would do another evaluation. And I'm gonna skip this one actually and see if he is autistic. But thanks God, everything came out good. Like when he started school, nothing happened. He started speaking. He was a parrot. When I tell you this boy did not speak a word, I told his let me see if I can condense. Yeah, so let me add a 10 and put this 20 and put this 10 here. So I told his kindergarten teacher, I'm like, my son does not speak. He has issue with speaking. He doesn't eat. He's very he's a eater, like a picker eater. No, he's picky with eating. He's very picky. And so I'm like, he has some sensor issues and like texture issues when it came to eating. I mean, you name it, guys. And thankfully, school started and he was good to go. And oh my gosh. And so he did not start speaking, guys, until he was 5 years old. Can you believe that? I was so stressed. I was so stressed. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, we only have one person that has like autistic in my family, which is my cousin. She is 16, but you can't tell. If you look at her, you can't even tell that she has like issues or problems. But no one else in my family besides her, and so we were concerned, but everything came out good. And so he didn't speak until he was 5 years old. And then Dylan, he's 3, he'll be turning 4, but he can speak, but sometimes he forgets to speak and starts mumbling like, I feel like he speaks another language because he'll be watching too much videos in another language. So sometimes let me actually just add a 10. So sometimes I'm just like, are you speaking another language? What? Hey. I'm doing a video, papi. Yes? Huh?
Sick.
Yeah. You like the dice? The dice is cool, huh? Hey, be careful with the dice. Okay, so this one has $20, $30, and $40. This one will save me $85. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I hope this is okay. I gotta do what I gotta do to record my video. All right, Easter is for Eric. You guys, I found some Pokemon cards yesterday. I posted on my Instagram the ones that I found, but then I went to Walmart next to work, and oh my gosh, I hit jackpot. And I spent a little bit more than I should have, but that's okay. Let me actually change this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, because I want to add some money. So now I have 20, 25, 26, and I'm gonna add one more. So $27 now in his Easter envelope. Okay, next the Hello Kitty. Oh, there goes my neighbor walking his dog. Oh my gosh, that neighbor, you guys, he just moved in maybe about almost going into 2 years. And when I tell you, he walked his dog maybe like 4 times a week. No, 4 times to 5 times a day. He does. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's already retired. You can just tell. His grandkids be coming sometimes. But his wife, I kid you not, out of the almost 2 years, I've only seen her 2 times maybe outside walking. And her husband, him, he walks 4 to 5 times a day with the doggy. And you can tell he is a tall guy. Hey, relax. He's a tall guy. He's like probably like 6'2", like my husband. You name it. I mean, he was probably a little bit taller in his youth. But he looks healthy. He looks strong. The thing about walking every day, I need to do that. Okay. I'm gonna skip this one because this one's a little bit too high. And then my birthday, same thing. I always say I'm gonna do my birthday, and I never do my birthday, you guys. All right, let's see. We have $4. So let's all add $1 for Dylan, who's my youngest, the one that is here in the room. And then Eric is gonna get $1 as well, who's my oldest. And then Alex, he's gonna get $2 because Father's Day be coming pretty soon. So yeah. Okay, guys. Well, there you have it. I'm excited that you guys were able to see me today on Saturday. Hope you guys have a lovely Saturday. I appreciate your support, your love, your likes, your comment, everything, your name it. Thank you for spending... Hey. He's playing, you guys. Thank you for spending your time with me. Your time is precious. You guys know that. And I appreciate everything and all of you guys. And yeah, I see you guys back tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I always do cash stuffing. But I don't know. We know I'm not going to get paid every day now from work. I'm going to get checked twice a week unless I get some cash. So I'm hoping someone pays me tomorrow in cash for it. I don't know. So we will see. I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for stopping by today. I see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely Saturday. Enjoy your day. And yeah, bye guys. Love you.